My name is Nurzuliza and I am from Politeknik Nilai. Today, I would like to present our innovation. We are given topic Sabah and to find issues relating to Sabah. At Sabah, apart from orangutan, Gunung Kinabalu and beautiful islands as its identity, Water Village is among other lost identity of Sabah. We are given task to highlight this lost identity of Sabah, which is Sabah Water Village. The issues related to the Sabah Water Village is the poor waste management. Sabah Water Village often been visited by foreign visitors. Hence, we would like to tackle this issue by conducting our research. The objectives of this study are number 1, to identify types of waste found floating at the seawater surface. Number 2, to propose a prototype regarding the waste found. Number 3, to test the practicality of the prototype developed. This study employed explanatory sequential design, which consists survey questionnaire and experimentation. This study consists of two phases, which is distributing online survey questionnaire and conducting two experiments. The first phase was to collect and analyze the online survey questionnaire as the quantitative data. The finding from the survey was used to design the prototype and experimentation. There are two experiments conducted, which is the buoyancy experiment and salinity experiment. The experiments were used to test and validate the self-distilled floating planter. Is it applicable for use? Waste identified were the plastic waste, among the highest numbers compared to glass, paper, metal, and etc. The buoyancy experiment is conducted to determine the weight that can be accommodated by the proposed floating planter. The result shows that 1,500 milliliter and 5,000 milliliter plastic bottles can only hold up to 3 kilograms of weight, while 600 milliliter plastic bottle can hold up to 5 kilograms of weight. This study manages to obtain distilled water by placing floating planter on the surface of the sea. There are 5 samples of water vapor collected. Figure shows the reading for 5 bottles of water vapors. Unfortunately, 3 samples obtained have the maximum levels of pollution, with 1,150 ppm, 7180 ppm, 1279 ppm. The contaminant levels identified as referred to the figure. Bottle 3 and bottle 4 can be consumed by animal and plants. The water impurities does not reach the ideal ppm level drinkable for human, which is the 7 ppm value. It is found that bottle 2, 4 and 5 were leaking due to improper sealing of the bottle cap and PVC pipe. Through the leaking, immersed seawater penetrates the cap and contaminates the water vapors. Bottle 3 and 4 shows the successful ability of the prototype to distill seawater and usable for the planting. This self-distilled floating planter prototype is able to reduce waste disposal at the water village. The product can be used as the element of landscaping, as well as floating agriculture. This floating planter can be replicated to achieve bigger surface area so that more vegetation can be planted, by using only natural elements such as sunlight to ensure abundance of water vapors as plant irrigation system. By reducing the floating plastic pollutants, Water Village will redeem its name and popularity among tourists and visitors. Now, sea people too can have their own greenery at the vicinity of their homes. Thank you.